what's up? It's your boy Chord back here with your guitar interpretations. And today we're doing Tip of My Tongue by Passenger. We're going to play this with basic chords. Just make sure your guitar is in standard tuning and put your cap on for number 1, okay? Let's start from the verse. This is the intro. G, E minor, A minor, and then D, okay? And my strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. G, A minor, sorry, G, E minor, and then A minor. G, E minor, A minor, and then D, okay? And then the pre-chorus has different chords, so let's play that. A minor, okay, so that whole, but I saved it for a rainy day. It's A minor, D, G, okay? Na, 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 na. A minor to D, and then G, E minor. Oh, hold on. There's that. Life like a smoking gun. A minor to D, G, E minor, and then A minor, again to D. Okay, so you then play A minor twice to D to get to that till it's gone, and then there's something I can't say. My tongue, something I can't say. C, there's something I can't change. Okay, so that, but it's something I can't say. That's already the chorus. It's a C to E minor, G to D. And then this time it's A minor, the second part of the chorus, to E minor. Then G again and D, okay? C to G, and let's play that. And C to G, E minor to, hold on, what chord is that? Let's, there's a chord I'm looking for. What? Okay, so A minor to D, but it's something I can't say. But it's on the tip of my, it's on the tip of my tongue. And then we're already back to the chords that we were playing in the verse. The G to E minor, C, so these are your chords for the end of the chorus, the verse, the intro, and that's pretty much the whole song. Yep, because the rest of the song is the same. So if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It is in the description below. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.